Honorable Judge and everyone watching this video. My name is Ica Aprilia. You can call me Ica. I am a student at Duta Bangsa University, Surakarta. Throughout this opportunity, I would like to deliver a short speech to share my experience and perspective. Let me start with a simple question. Have you ever felt that your problems were too small to matter or too big to overcome? I used to think that way until I read a book published by Erlanga titled Chicken Soup for the Soul, Life Inspiration. This book didn't just change how I read stories, it changed how I see life. Before reading this book, I believed that inspiration only came from extraordinary people, successful figures, famous leaders, or those who had achieved something big. I often underestimate my own struggle. I thought others have it worse. My feelings don't really matter. As a student, I feel pressure to always be strong, productive, and successful, even when I was stressed or confused about my future. Then I opened this book. Chicken Soup for the Soul is a collection of short, simple stories about ordinary people's students, parents, workers facing everyday problems. There were stories about failure, rejection, self-doubt, and loss. But there were also stories about hope, kindness, courage, and persistence. What surprised me most was not how dramatic the stories were, but how relatable they felt. Throughout this book, I learned one powerful lesson. Every struggle is valid, no matter how small it seems. One story that deeply affected me was about someone who felt lost and unsure of their abilities, yet kept going because they chose to believe in themselves, even when no one else did. The story reflects my own experience as a student who sometimes question my words, my choice, and my future. At the moment, my perspective shifts. I realized that changing your life doesn't always start with a big decision. Sometimes it starts with changing the way you see yourself. This book taught me that first it's okay to feel tired, certain, it's okay to fail, and it's okay to take your time growing. Published by Erlanga. This book also shows how education is not only about textbooks and grades, but also about building character, empathy, and emotional strength. It reminds you readers like me that learning is not just academic, it is deeply human. After reading this book, I became more compassionate toward myself and others. I stopped comparing my journey with someone else's timeline. Instead, I learned to appreciate progress no matter how small. Now, when I face difficulties, I no longer ask, why is this happening to me? I ask, what can this teach me? Ladies and gentlemen, one book might not change the whole world, but it can change one perspective, and one change perspective can change all life. Chicken Soup for the Soul, published by Erlanga, taught me that inspiration doesn't always come from greatness. Sometimes it comes from honesty, simplicity, and shared human experience. So today I invite you all to reflect what book has changed your perspective, and more importantly, what will you do with that new way of saying the words? Thank you for the opportunity and your attention.